Good evening. On November 24th, 2020, China has launched an unmanned spacecraft to the moon. And the intention of this particular launch is to get the samples of rocks from the moon. These are called samples of lunar rocks. And after getting it, it is going to perform some experiments. Now the point is that this is one of the wonderful mission, in fact. But is the China the first country to do so? Answer is no. China is the third country in the world to do so. In fact, it was done by United States of America in the year 1960. It was also done by USSR in the year 1970. And after a long period of time, right, now China is the country which is venturing into this. In this particular session, I am going to show you all the details, and we are going to begin with a question and answer, and at the end also we'll be finishing up with a question and answer, but with a different subject. Now I would like to show you the document. Kindly have a look at this. I'll show you the question first. Important one, very important one. Which of the following is the first country to bring samples of lunar rocks back to the earth? Kindly remember here, now China has launched its unmanned spacecraft for this purpose. Since the purpose is very clear, there is a possibility of the question, and the question may be like this: which was the first country to do so? Right? Though it happened many years back, it may be a question now, because something else which is related to the same is very much there in the news. Clear? Read the question once again. Which of the following is the first country to bring samples of lunar rocks back to the earth? France, Russia, USA, China. Right? I told you already. Answer is option C, that is USA. It happened in the year 1960. Later, in the year 1970, it was done by USSR. Look at this. Here the answer should be C. Answer is C here. Right? Now, look at this. The United States and the Soviet Union United States and the Soviet Union in the year 1960s and 1970s respectively have been able to bring back such lunar rocks. Very important. So, if China is successful in its mission now, China becomes the third country overall and the first country in nearly 4 decades to bring back lunar rock samples. Very important one. We need to wait and watch whether China will be successful in this particular mission or not. If it is really a successful one, China will become the third country in the world to do so. First country is being United States of America, followed by USSR during 1960s and 1970s respectively. Look at this. China has launched an unmanned spacecraft to bring samples of lunar rocks back to the earth, making it the first country to do so in nearly 4 decades. Kindly remember, in the past 40 years, China is the first country. But you have to be looking at the question very carefully. China is not the first country to do so if the mission is successful. But the first country was United States of America. Look at this. A long March 5 rocket has been launched on November 24th, 2020, carrying Chang'e 5 probe. Important. Please remember this. And what is the aim here? The aim of the mission is to bring back lunar rocks and soil so that scientists can learn about the moon's origin, formation, and volcanic activity on the lunar surface. Meaning the purpose is this. What is the aim? What is the objective of launching this mission? The objective is to bring back the lunar rocks and soil. Why? So that the scientists will be performing some experiments and will come to know about the origin of the moon. We'll come to know about the formation and volcanic activity on the lunar surface. This is the how the experiments are carried on. Is it okay? Next, and the mission was supposed to be launched in the year 2017, but it was delayed. It was delayed due to an engine failure in Long March 5 rocket, and it is expected to land in late November and will be collecting material in one lunar day. Please remember, this is important again for the examination. Whenever such type of information is appearing in the newspaper, related questions may be asked. Look at this. So for collecting the material, it is going to take one lunar day. But what is one lunar day here? It is not one day on the earth. One lunar day is equal to 14 earth days. This is important. Am I clear? Very, very, very important. One lunar day is equal to 14 earth days. And the experts will collect nearly 2 kilograms of surface material in an area known as Oceanus Procellarum. This is called ocean of storms. Again, very important one. There may be a question from which area the China has collected or collecting the material, and that area is called ocean of storms, which mainly consists of lava plain. Important point. So out of this, anything may be a question, my dear friends. So you should be able to remember it, right? Now again, I'll show you one more question. We have so much of the discussion regarding the love jihad. In order to counter that one of the state governments, they have drafted an ordinance, and very soon that is going to be notified, right? Maybe today, right? And after that, that is going to become a law. Now, what is that particular one? Let's see. Which of the following state governments approved a draft ordinance? Kindly remember, I have given the date very deliberately, only to tell you that this draft ordinance was approved on November 24th, 2020. So there will not be any much delay. Once it is submitted to the governor, that will become, the ordinance will be promulgated. That may happen even today. To deal with, and the basic idea is to deal with the religious conversions for the sake of marriage, which could land violators in jail for 10 years. Right? Basically, what happens? We heard about something called love jihad. Here, religious conversions are taking place for the sake of marriage. Fine. And some of the states have taken it very seriously. And this is a matter of really a very big concern. And anybody does so with an intention of only the marriage, then such people will be jailed for 10 years. So this is the draft ordinance which is ready. As I told you, that may be issued at any point of time. And which is the state? Is it Kerala, Gujarat, or Maharashtra, or Uttar Pradesh? Answer is option D. It is Uttar Pradesh. Please remember this. So important for the examination point of view. Right? So once it is done, right, once the ordinance is issued, or at a later point, once it becomes an act, the question may be different. Which of the following is the state? Which of the following state government has passed a law to deal with the religious conversions for the sake of marriage? Right? So like this, the question may be changed, right? So you please remember this point, and the answer is option D. Option D, that is Uttar Pradesh. Thank you so much. That's all for the day, and I'll see you in the next class.